Using Simulink. You can download and install MATLAB and Simulink from following link. To open Simulink, simply click Simulink icon on MATLAB toolbar and can select blank model. Let's start project 1. Here we will generate a model using uniform random number generator and create a chart based on the output. We will then extend the project by adding an amplifier and see what happens. Let's open library browser and type random. Drag and drop, uniform random number generator. Then on sinks, select scope and connect both elements. Adjust the stop time when the simulation stops to 15 seconds, click Run. On double-clicking the scope, we can see the output chart. We will now extend the code by adding gain into the network. Key output is multiplied by 10. The scope is now adjusted to take 2 inputs. Click Run. Here is the output.